funky tap water? Meet PUR Plus, the faucet filter that fixes it all. Ever wondered what's really in your tap water? That funky taste, chlorine odor, and suspicious cloudiness, what if it's more than just harmless minerals? Imagine filling your glass, only to question whether you're drinking contaminants like lead, microplastics, or chemicals. Gross, right? You're not alone. Millions face this daily struggle, juggling bottled water expenses or outdated pitchers that don't cut it. Enter the PUR Plus vertical faucet mount water filtration system, a modern-day hero ready to tackle your water worries head-on. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the solution that's changing taps and lives nationwide. Meet the faucet filter that means business. The PUR Plus faucet mount system doesn't just reduce contaminants, it demolishes them. Engineered with cutting-edge 3-in-1 filtration technology, it reduces 70+ harmful substances, including lead, chlorine, and microplastics, 10 times more than Brita's leading pitcher. Certified by WQA and NSF, this compact powerhouse delivers cleaner, better-tasting water without compromising convenience. With tool-free, one-click installation, it's easier than assembling furniture or even making toast. Say goodbye to costly bottled water and hello to affordable hydration, straight from your tap. Why settle for maybe clean when you can have PUR-clean? Still worried about maintenance? We've got you covered. The PUR Plus faucet mount filter isn't just smart, it's downright genius. An LED filter change light tells you exactly when to replace the filter, so there's no guesswork. Each filter lasts up to 100 gallons or 3 months, keeping your water fresh without interruptions. And when it's time to swap, no tools, no stress, just snap in a genuine PUR Plus replacement filter and keep the clean water flowing. Remember, compatible filters may fit, but only PUR genuine filters are certified to deliver superior performance. Clean water made simple. What about the cost? This filter doesn't just save water, it saves money. With the PUR Plus faucet mount system, you'll spend pennies per gallon, saving up to $30 per week compared to bottled water. Plus, it's eco-friendly, cutting down on single-use plastic waste without sacrificing quality. Whether you're filling reusable bottles, cooking pasta, or brewing coffee, this system delivers purified, mineral-rich water for every need. It's a budget-friendly, planet-friendly powerhouse, ready to transform your hydration routine. Why pour money down the drain when you can invest in better water? The search for better water ends here. After 35+ years of innovation, PUR remains the #1 selling faucet filtration brand, trusted, tested, and NSF certified. Unlike cheap knockoffs, PUR's rigorous standards ensure long-lasting performance and cleaner, healthier water in every drop. Designed to fit most faucets, it's versatile, durable, and built to perform. With its sleek design and user-friendly features, the PUR Plus faucet mount water filtration system isn't just a filter, it's peace of mind. Ready to upgrade your tap water? Say goodbye to contaminants and hello to confidence with PUR. Cleaner water is just a click away.